Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can change the audio output for your laptop to get the sound from the soundbar. Say for example, I'm just playing the sound, okay? I'm increasing the volume. About this bass, this subwoofer bass and sound called. See, right now the sound is coming out from the laptop speaker, even though there is a JBL soundbar which is connected via Bluetooth. I'll show you the Bluetooth connection here. When I click on here, if you can see here, oh wait, I'll be clicking on this Bluetooth. JBL cinema connected, right? So even when I'm playing, the audio is coming out from the default speakers of this laptop. Here there is a small setting you need to change in order to get the output of the sound from the JBL cinema soundbar. Click on this Windows logo, then click on the settings here, then see here under system you'll see something like sound here. Click on the sound. Under output, choose where you want to play the sound. See here, choose where you want to play the sound. Speakers, JBL cinema speaker, so just opt for this. Check the radio button, no need to save anything. Not only this, if you connect any external sound speakers, that may be through 3.5 mm headphone jack or whatever it may be, it will show you up here the list of the devices. Settings, then system, under the sound, under the output you'll see all the list of the connected sound bars or the sound devices. Now I check the radio button, right? Now we'll test this. What are the pros and what are the cons? First I'll try to play a audio file. Yeah, see here. Yeah, see here, now the video is playing from the laptop but the audio is from the JBL soundbar. So this I purchased for 7,000 rupees, this JBL soundbar. If you want the full video of this product, you can check in the description, and this is how you can change the settings. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.